Welcome back. Today I will discuss sign of trigonometry function or trigonometry ratio. Now two line and horizontal and vertical line. So this is x dash axis, y and y dash. Divide into four part, each part known as quadrant. So first quadrant and second quadrant and third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, sign all value positive, all value of trigonometric ratio is positive. All value positive. First quadrant trigonometry, all ratio trigonometry, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, all value will positive. And second quadrant, sine and cosec value positive and remaining ratio negative. Second quadrant, sine cosec, value of sine cosec positive, remaining ratio except sine and cosec will be negative. And third, tan cot, value of tan cot positive and remaining ratio will negative. And fourth quadrant cos sec value positive and remaining ratio negative. So now in first quadrant, all value trigonometry ratio positive. Second quadrant, sine cosec positive and tan cot and cos sec will negative. And third quadrant, tan cot positive and remaining sine cosec cos sec negative. And fourth quadrant, cos sec ratio positive and remaining tan cot sine cosec will be negative. So this ratio, sine ratio of trigonometry, this we consult this. And also, so this represent 0 degree and this represent 90, 0 to 90, 90 to 180 and 180 to 70, and last one cycle move to 360 degree. So this is first quadrant 0 to 90, and second quadrant 90 to 180, and third quadrant 180 to 270, and fourth quadrant and 270 to 360. Now discuss angle of ratio of trigonometry. So first quadrant, so first quadrant sine 90 plus theta is equal to sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta positive, and cosec 90 plus theta sec theta, and sec 90 plus theta, so cosec theta, and cos 90 plus theta, so this is sin theta. Welcome back. Today I will discuss about sine of trigonometry function. A plane divided into 4 parts, each part known as quadrant, and first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And this is, so angle from 0 degree to 90 degree, and 90 to 180 to 70 degree. At last one cycle complete, so one cycle complete to 360 degree. So become this 360 degree and move this. So this first quadrant trigonometry ratio, all value of trigonometry ratio positive, all positive, and this is second quadrant sine and cosec positive, and remaining negative ratio. And third tan cot positive, and remaining ratio negative. And fourth quadrant cos cos sec positive and remaining ratio negative. So first quadrant, so a ratio of trigonometry 90 to 70 will be ratio change. Sin cos, cos sec, sec cosec, sin cos, cos sin, sec cosec, cosec sec, tan cot, cot tan will be ratio change in 90 and 270. And 0 and 180 or 360 there is no changing in ratio. So now let us start the angle of ratio of trigonometry. So first quadrant, so first quadrant, so 90 minus theta. So first quadrant 90 minus theta, so 90 0 to 90, so 90 minus theta. So first quadrant, so 90, this is sin ratio change. So ratio change was sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So 90, this ratio will be change cos, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. All value of trigonometry ratio positive. So in first quadrant all ratio, value of all ratio positive. In second quadrant, the trigonometry in second quadrant, so now 90 plus theta, so this is 90 and theta, so this angle 90 plus theta, so 90 plus theta in second quadrant. So first ratio sin 90 plus theta is equal to sin, this sin change ratio sin cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta, so sin theta, so minus, and cosec 90 plus theta, sec 90 plus theta, so sec cosec theta, so minus, and cosec 90 plus theta, sec theta, positive and positive, tan tan 90 plus theta, so tan cot theta minus, and cot 90 plus theta, so this cot minus tan theta. In second quadrant, so sine, cosec, value of sine, cosec, so positive and remaining negative, but 90, so 90 plus, so ratio will be changed, sine, cos, cos, sine, sec, cosec, cosec, sec, tan, cot, cot, tan. So second quadrant, in sine cosec value positive and remaining value negative. In third quadrant, second quadrant, so second quadrant, in this 180 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta, and this value in this angle move in theta, so this is 180 minus theta. So now 180 minus theta, so sine 180 minus theta is equal to sin थीटा. 180 की वजह से रेशियो में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होती है, साइन सो साइन एंड सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन एंड कोसिक वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होती है और अदर वैल्यू जो है निगेटिव होती है. सो साइन 180 माइनस थीटा साइन थीटा एंड कोसेक 180 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So this is positive, this is positive, and tan 180 minus theta is equal to tan theta will negative value. So second quadrant tan negative. So cot 180 minus theta is equal to cot 180, so there is no change, cot theta minus cot theta, and cos 180 minus theta is equal to cos theta, so this is negative, and sec 180 minus theta is equal to sec, so 180 there is no change ratio, so sec theta value of sec, so second quadrant sec value of sec minus, so sine and cosec second quadrant positive value and remaining value will negative. 180, so there is 180, there is no changing in ratio, sine, cosec, tan, cot, and cos, and sec. Third quadrant. So third quadrant, so this is third quadrant, so this is 180, 0 to 180, so move this downward and let theta, so this angle 180 plus theta, so this is 180 plus theta, so third quadrant 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. So sine 180 plus theta. So 180, there is no change in ratio. Sine, so sine. So in third quadrant, tan cot value of tan cot ratio positive, another ratio negative. So negative. Sine cosec 180 plus theta. So cosec minus cosec theta. And cos 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta. So cos theta negative. And sec 180 plus theta. So sec theta value negative. And tan 180 plus theta. So tan 180, there is no change ratio. Tan theta value positive. And cot 180 plus theta. So cot theta, so value positive. In third quadrant, tan cot value positive and remaining value negative. And 180, this angle 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. There is no change in ratio. Tan, sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan, cot. And also third quadrant, so 270, this is third quadrant. 270, this repair anti-clock. So this is theta. So angle form 270 minus theta. So 270 minus theta. This is third quadrant. So sine 270 minus theta. So 270 ratio will be changed. Sine cos theta. So value of sine 270 in third quadrant, tan cot positive, remaining negative. So negative value. And cosec 270 minus theta is equal to cosec. So sec theta value negative. And cos 270 minus theta is equal to cos sine theta negative. And sec 270 minus theta is equal to sec 270. So sec cosec theta. So this is negative value. And tan 270 minus theta is equal to tan 270. So cot theta, third quadrant, tan positive value. So cot 270 minus theta is equal to, so cot tan theta. So plus. In third quadrant, tan and cot value ratio, so positive and remaining value negative. In ratio 270 minus theta, 270, 270, 270, 270, 270, 270. There is change in ratio. Sine cos, cosec sec. कॉस साइन एंड सेक कोसेक टैन काट काट टैन, यानी 270 अगर लिखा हो तो रेशियो जो होती हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वह चेंज हो जाती हैं। So fourth quadrant in this is 270 angle and fourth quadrant, so make theta so clockwise, so 270 this is angle 270 plus theta, so 270 plus theta, so first ratio sin 270 plus theta is equal to sin cos theta, and cosec 270 plus theta, so cosec sec theta, so this is value negative, so negative, and also cos 270 plus theta, so cos sin theta positive, and sec 270 plus theta is equal to sec cosec theta, so sec positive, and tan 270 plus theta 270 plus theta, so tan cot theta, so negative value, and cot 270 plus theta, so tan cot tan theta, so value negative. तो 270 sin 270 there is change in ratio sin cos cosec sec cos sin sec cosec tan cot cot tan, and this fourth quadrant cos and sec value positive and remaining value become negative. In fourth quadrant now anti-clockwise, so make theta, so this is 360, so angle form 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta, so fourth quadrant in anti-clock, fourth quadrant 360 minus theta, so first ratio sin 360 minus theta is equal to, so 360 there is no change in ratio sin theta, so fourth quadrant value of sin negative, and also this written in form sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and also cosec 360 minus theta or cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. This is R. R tan 360 minus theta or tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, or cot 360 minus theta or tan cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, and also cos 360 minus theta or cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, and sec 360 minus theta or sec minus theta is equal to sec theta. So 360 minus theta, 360 written, there is no change in trigonometry ratio. Sin, cosec, tan, cot, cos, sec theta. In fourth quadrant trigonometry ratio, cos and sec positive, remaining cos sec positive and remaining value negative. तो cos sin 360 minus theta or sin minus theta both are in same case. या 360 माइनस थीटा लिखा हो या माइनस थीटा लिखा हो, अगर रेशियो साइन माइनस थीटा, इसको पढ़ेंगे 360 माइनस थीटा, वैल्यू आर माइनस थीटा। 360 की वजह से रेशियो चेंज नहीं होती है। साइन कॉस सेक कोसेक कॉट टैन। At last the first quadrant, so write this is theta or become 360. So first quadrant 360 plus theta. So 360 plus theta, so sin 360 plus theta is equal to 360, there is no change in ratio sin, so sin theta. So value, all value positive, so positive. Cosec 360 plus theta, so cosec theta, and tan 360 plus theta, so tan 360 plus theta, so tan theta, and cot 360 plus theta, so cot theta, and cos 360 plus theta, so cos theta, and sec 360 plus theta, so sec theta. So 360 plus theta, 360, one round, one revolution complete, so there is no change in ratio sin, cosec, tan, cot, cos, sec. In first quadrant, the ratio of trigonometry, all value will become positive, so plus, all value positive. That's all.